You need to hear this if you're tired of trying to be perfect. This is the anti-guide, the roadmap to glorious, soul-crushing mediocrity. So if you're tired of trying and just want to embrace the sweet, sweet comfort of failure, buckle up. This one's for you. Welcome to your ultimate guide to becoming a productivity black hole. Let's turn your potential into dust, one relatable habit at a time. Alright, picture this. Your alarm goes off. It's that god-awful chirping sound that makes you question every life choice that led to this moment. Do you get up? No, my friend, that's what suckers do. You are a connoisseur of the snooze button. See, the snooze button is not your enemy. It's a test, a challenge to see how much you can get away with. 5 minutes? Please, that's amateur hour. 10, 15, maybe even 20. Now we're talking. The key here, the real pro move, is to wait until that panic sets in. You know that feeling, right? Where your heart starts racing, and you realize you're dangerously close to being late for, well, everything. Start your day by negotiating with your alarm clock. 5 more minutes is the mantra of champions. Pro tip, hit snooze until panic sets in. Nothing kickstarts creativity like adrenaline-fueled chaos. That's the sweet spot, because nothing says I'm ready to seize the day like a healthy dose of cortisol coursing through your veins. It's basically like pre-workout for your soul, or something like that. The point is, embrace the snooze. It's the first step on your journey to magnificent underachievement. So go ahead, hit that snooze button and savor those extra moments of blissful sleep. You deserve it. After all, who doesn't want a few more minutes of peace? Okay, so you've managed to drag yourself out of bed. Congratulations, you're already failing. But don't worry, it's all part of the plan. The day is young, and there are countless distractions waiting for you. Now, let's talk about maximizing your day, or rather, maximizing the ways you can avoid doing anything remotely productive. It's an art form, really, a skill that takes years to perfect. Enter the art of distraction. This is where you truly shine. Your ability to find new ways to procrastinate is unparalleled. See, the human brain, that little lump of gray matter we like to pretend is in control, is easily amused. It craves novelty and excitement. It's always on the lookout for the next shiny thing. It's like a 5-year-old at a birthday party, easily distracted by shiny objects and the promise of cake. The allure is irresistible. The brain just can't help itself. And your phone? Oh, your phone is a buffet of distractions, a smorgasbord of procrastination delights, notifications, apps, and endless content. It's a wonderland of time-wasting opportunities. Why focus on one task when you can juggle 15? Multitasking is the name of the game. The more, the merrier, right? Swipe, scroll, and just quickly check everything. It's a never-ending cycle. One distraction leads to another. Bonus points if you fall into a 3-hour meme hole and forget your own name. Time well spent, right? The deeper you go, the better. We're talking social media, news apps, games, that weird app you downloaded 6 months ago and have no recollection of. The possibilities are endless. There's always something new to explore, always something to keep you occupied. The key here is to never fully commit to any one distraction. Keep hopping from one to another. Variety is essential. Swipe, scroll, tap, and just quickly check everything. Repeat as necessary. The cycle never ends. Remember, variety is the spice of life. And by spice, I mean crippling inability to focus on anything for more than 5 seconds. Embrace the chaos. It's the new normal. Now I know what you're thinking, this is all well and good, but what about deadlines, those pesky little things that get in the way of my carefully curated life of procrastination? Don't worry, my friend, I've got you covered. Let me introduce you to your new best friend, the I'll do it later philosophy. See, Deadlines are just suggestions, arbitrary lines drawn in the sand by people who clearly don't understand the importance of binge-watching an entire season of a show in one sitting. The key to mastering the "I'll do it later" philosophy is to convince yourself that later is an actual, tangible time period. It's not now, it's not tomorrow. It's this magical, mythical realm where you're super productive and get everything done with time to spare. Procrastination is an art. Why write that report today when it'll taste better with a side of existential dread at 2 a.m.? Remember, deadlines are just suggestions from the man. Of course, we both know later never actually comes. But that's not the point. The point is to live in the moment, to savor the sweet, sweet taste of procrastination. Because let's be honest, that report you've been putting off, it's going to be way more fun to write at 2 a.m. fueled by caffeine and the crushing weight of your own impending doom. And hey, if you miss the deadline, just remember there's always another one right around the corner. So sit back, relax, and let the "I'll do it later" philosophy guide you to a stress-free life, where every moment is savored and enjoyed. So you've been diligently following my advice, embracing the snooze button, curating your distraction buffet, and perfecting the "I'll do it later" philosophy. But even the most dedicated procrastinator has moments of self-doubt, those fleeting instances where you question your life choices and wonder if maybe, just maybe, you should be doing something productive. Fear not, my friend, because I have the solution. Blame the universe. It's so much easier than taking responsibility for your own actions, right? The universe is a vast, unknowable entity full of mysterious forces and cosmic alignments. It's also a really convenient scapegoat for all of your shortcomings. Your incompetence is never your fault. Blame Mercury retrograde, your goldfish, or the patriarchy. Accountability is for people with vision boards. Bad day at work? Mercury must be in retrograde. Spilled coffee on your keyboard? Clearly the universe is conspiring against you. Can't seem to get anything done? It's the patriarchy. The point is, don't waste your time trying to improve yourself or take control of your life. It's much easier to just blame the universe and go back to watching cat videos on YouTube. And finally, we come to the pinnacle of your journey to ultimate life ruination, becoming one with the couch. This, my friends, is the final form, the ultimate expression of your commitment to mediocrity. See, the couch is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a symbol, a representation of all that is comfortable and unproductive in the world. It's a siren song calling you to abandon all ambition and embrace a life of blissful inertia. Reject growth. Embrace the gravitational pull of your couch. Let your dreams rot alongside last week's pizza crusts. You're not lazy, you're minimalist. Resist the urge to fight it. Let the couch envelop you in its warm, fuzzy embrace. Feel your worries melt away as you sink deeper into its cushions. This is your true calling, your destiny. You are not lazy, my friend. You are a minimalist, a master of efficiency, a connoisseur of comfort. You have achieved enlightenment through the power of doing absolutely nothing. So there you have it, folks. Your foolproof guide to a life less lived. Remember, success is fleeting, but failure is forever. And honestly, isn't it more fun to be the lovable screw-up anyway? Remember, tomorrow is another day to ruin. See you in the void. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a very important date with my couch.